Are you looking to connect your Binance account to Metatrader 5 in 2025? You're in the right place. Let's walk you through the full process of step by step. Before we begin, if you're serious on securing your cryptocurrencies, I highly recommend checking out Ledger Hardware Wallets. You'll find the link in the description below. All right, let's get started. First, open your Metatrader 5 app and log into your account. Once you're in, head over to settings that located at the bottom right corner. Next, tap on new account at the top of the screen. Then click the search icon at the top. In the search bar, simply type BTC. After that, you should see Binance listed in the results. Tap on it. Now just log in using your Binance account credentials. But here's something important. Depending on your region, Metatrader 5 may show brokerage companies that are not regulated in your country. So if Binance does not show up after searching for BTC, it likely means it's not available in your region through MT5. But if you do see it, just select it and you'll be connected. And that's it. That's how you connect Binance to MetaTrader 5 in 2025. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick tech tutorials like this one, and I'll see you in the next one as always, I promised.